is going to be about the eyeshadow palette. I went ahead and did my brows and my foundation. If you want to see how I did this, I have a ton of videos where you can go and watch that. I'll make sure I link a couple in the description box. But other than that, we're going to get started. And this is what it looks like. These colors are all shimmery, so I will have to use some other colors in my crease, just because I need a couple of mattes in there before I do like a shimmer. But I'm thinking about using like the brighter colors. We'll probably see how it goes like as we go along. Whatever looks good, that's what I'll do. But I'm thinking like a really nice shimmer, so we'll see how this goes. But first, I'm gonna start with, this is a MAC. I can't believe I don't remember the color of this, but this is kind of like a holy grail for me. I use this one a lot in my crease. So I'm gonna start with this one. And I think the brush that I'm using now is my MAC 117, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so the next color is actually going to be this brown from my Juvia's Place palette. And I'm not going to put too much, but I'm just going to put it right on top of that crease color. Okay, and so the last color before I get into the Rihanna palette, I'm just going to take this black and I'm just going to smoke out my outer corner just a little bit. And I'm just going to bring it in just a little bit so that I can cut the crease. Now I'm just going to take my Tarte concealer. This is in the color Tan Sand, and I'm just going to cut my crease. Okay, so now that I've cut the crease, I'm gonna set it with some setting powder, and then I'm gonna move on to the Rihanna palette. And this just helps the color stay on a lot better. But I'm also gonna use some glitter glue, if I can find it. Let's see. This is from NYX, and I just want the color to be a lot more vibrant and radiant. So I'll be using this on top. So I want this to be like super shimmery and super pretty because I'm going to be doing a red lip. So I think the first color I'm actually going to take is this one. And that is called Ozone. So I'm going to take this one and put that right in my inner eyelid. I'm just going to use this angle brush first just so I can be more precise on my crease, and then I'll go in with a fluffy brush to make it more like bright and radiant. How this looks. I'm gonna go with this golden color here, and that is Mars on Fire. So that's gonna be my second color. And for the last color, I think I'm actually gonna go with this one. That is Cosmic Ocean. So I'm gonna go with that one and put that right in my outer crease. tried to turn the lighting down just a little bit for you guys so you can at least see what it looks like, but like the video is not doing it any justice. Like the colors are beautiful and they pair so well with one another. But I'm just gonna move right along. I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing liner, and I'm gonna be using Kat Von D tattoo liner. Okay, so I have done my concealer and my contour routine 1,000 times on camera, so I'm going to go ahead and do it off camera, and then I'll come back to the eyes and we can do the lips, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am baking, I have contoured, I have done pretty much all of my face, and now it's time to get back to my eyes. So I am just gonna put on a pair of lashes. I won't show you the lashes because these are some that I've already worn. So I'm just gonna put them on if I can find the packaging. I got them from Amazon. Actually, they are, the packaging looks a mess, but they are World Beauty lashes. The packaging looks like that. So I'm gonna put those on really quickly, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have put my lashes on, and I'm just going to stay up. My backdrop is really about to fall, and I'm hoping y'all can't see it. Alright, so I've put my lashes on. I'm just going to take this black eyeliner and apply it to my lower lash. And then I'm going to take an eyeshadow and apply that to my lower lash as well. So I'm gonna go back to the Fenty palette, and I'm gonna take that same color I put on the outer crease, and I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. Alright, now I'm gonna take my Better Than Sex mascara. Actually, I guess I will go ahead and apply the color in my tear duct. And I'm just gonna take this brightest color, this is called Milky Way, and I'm gonna take that and put it right in my tear duct. Usually I do this step like very last, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it now, and then I'll take all of the powder and all that stuff off my face. And then I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I'm just going to apply that to my lower lash line. Alright, so now I am going to wipe off the excess powder. And I'm going to be highlighting with the Maybelline Master Chrome today. That's what that looks like. Okay, so we are almost there, you guys. For my lips, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna in the color Uncensored. This is her red lipstick, and the packaging is just beautiful. This is what this looks like. So I got a lip liner from the Beauty Supply. This is a NYX. This is in the color Cocoa. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this, and then I'm gonna apply the red. Now, I do have to say, I don't prefer this applicator. I mean, I've just never used one like this, so it feels kind of weird. But I only stuck this in the bottle once and it's doing my whole lips, so that's great. And voila guys, this is your final look. Thank you so much for watching. I actually really love like all of the eyeshadows. Love the lipstick. I wish it didn't smudge as much, but the color is super pretty. Like it's super radiant. A very nice red. I would want to put like something matte on top of it because although it's matte, it still smudges. And that's one thing I can say I do not prefer about any lipstick. But I love it otherwise. I really love the look. The eyeshadows came out really nicely and they're super pigmented. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please stay tuned for more hair and makeup tutorials. Thanks a lot. Bye.